Okay, this is your 48-hour forecast for Central PA, which is State College, Williamsport, Sunbury, Harrisburg, Lancaster, Wellsboro up that way. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon this Sunday, and we have some thunderstorms coming through right now. And if you have any reports of damage or anything you want, please put it in the comments below so I can keep track of what happened with the storm. Now, simulated radar at 4 o'clock shows a very defined line, some heavier storms and heavier rains in here. Thunder and lightning is quite possible. I don't see anything on here right now about tornadoes, but I've been looking, but I haven't seen any. But if you know anything, wind damages, let me know because ahead of it, the winds are very strong out of the south, and behind it, you can see it completely drops right off. So ahead of it, wind gusts into the 50s. There's even some areas down here close to 60 down here towards York. And then you got the front system, and then the winds just die completely off behind it. Back to the radar as we move this thing ahead by the hour a little bit. This takes you to around 5 o'clock, and you can see it's going through. This would be past State College. It's now heading towards. It's in Lock Haven right now, and it's heading towards Williamsport. Just another hour from now, it's already gone through, so it's a quick moving system. This is around 6 o'clock, and it's past Williamsport, it's past Salem, it's going through Harrisburg and down by York at this hour. So it moves through pretty quick, and then there it goes. But there's still some showers and heavier showers behind it. This is around 9 o'clock tonight. You can still see some showers behind it. Some of these reds are some heavier rains. And as it moves, you can see here down by the Mason-Dixon line here, south of Harrisburg, even south of Lancaster, you can see some heavier showers going on. This is around 10 o'clock tonight. And then as we move it ahead a little further, there's midnight, here's 1 a.m., 2 a.m., here's move this ahead to around 6 o'clock in the morning, and just behind it some showers. But then if you look way up here, you can see some changeover of some flurries, and that's because the temperatures have dropped, and they're going to be tomorrow's going to be a pretty cold day for this time of year. Up this way, temperatures are near freezing. If you go a little further to the west out of the picture here, Bradford's at 30 degrees. If you go down here towards Lancaster, they're 50 degrees. But watch this cold air seep in slowly during the day. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. You can see most northern Pennsylvania's drop down into the mid 30s to up here is freezing. And temperatures down here towards Harrisburg are still in the 40s, but it gets less and less as we go through the day. Temperatures will begin to drop. It takes you to around 8 o'clock in the evening. All these dark pinks up here below freezing. Here's Williamsport right at 33. This is State College around 32. Sunbury, Selinsgrove here around 34. Harrisburg has dropped to around 39. So cold temperatures are coming through as we head out towards the morning hours. Here's 7 o'clock in the morning, and pretty much the whole area is in mid 20s to just below freezing. So everybody gets down. So if there's any wet puddles on the road, they might get a little slippery if the roads are still wet or there's still something out there. So keep that in mind. And then on Tuesday, things make a rapid recovery. It's the best way to describe it. Temperatures get back in southern part of the region and out towards State College, they get into the upper 50s to lower 60s. And then to the north, yeah, there's still some areas up here that are in the lower 50s in these blue areas here. But for the most part, we recover pretty quickly on Tuesday. Just keep an eye on the winds and the storms come through. They'll come through quickly. They won't last very long. But then behind it, there's some showers and there could be a few downpours behind it. So keep that in mind. All right. I'll talk to you again on Tuesday. Be safe.